there ain't another saint as great as Valentine. Love is blind. Valentine's Day is celebrated all over the world on 14th of February every year. Every couple awaits this day irrespective of being married or unmarried, young or old. What matters is the relationship which they both belong to. It is just the perfect occasion to express your deep love and concerns to your partner. In most of the countries this day is celebrated as Happy Valentine's Day. Couples wish each other with greeting cards, gifts, roses and of course spending time together. Love is everywhere on this day. It blossoms more and make your relationship feel stronger than ever. Well, Valentine's Day is incomplete without a Valentine's Day gift. You can make your partner feel more special when you gift something great and delighting. Here given some ideas to make him delight. 1. Say the magical words in beloved's ears. 2. Gift something special with wrapping a red ribbon. 3. Write a love note and stick on the mirror or place in the pocket. 4. Adorn the home with heart-shaped balloons, roses and candles. 5. Gift a ring. 6. Make a photo album with photo of you duos to gift to beloved. 8. Present a romantic red rose bouquet with her favorite chocolate. Giving a card reflects individual's care and affections itself, and you should also present a gorgeous greeting card to beloved to show your love for him. It is wonderful ideas to present the greeting cards made in heart shapes and different shapes with magic colors. So, treat your partner and dear ones with latest and well-designed greetings with your messages of love, to keep them smiling for the day. If you desire to present a bit special to beloved, Valentine's Day rose will be fine present for your partner and bring lots of cheers on him. Choose a beautiful rose if you want to propose someone. Excite beloved with the bunch of rose and some magic words and bring a passionate moment amongst you both. Wish you a happy Valentine's Day 2022.